Okay, guys. Hey, hope you're doing good. And finally, here comes my first video and first announcement on this auspicious day of Dr. APJ's Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary. Oh, I think I didn't get my specs and wireless headset. Apple ka. I hope you still give me enough attention. Let's go forward. So what's big announcement here? So finally I'm starting my YouTube channel, right? So for over 2.5 years, I built my career over teaching data science concepts, and a lot of people have always asked me, hey Prithvi, why not YouTube? Right. So there are two main reasons why I didn't do YouTube. First thing is like I'm very focused on generating a very good curriculum which makes anyone a data scientist. And in the process, we created end-to-end data science curriculum as well as an LP 100 hours curriculum, right? So the second reason being, yes, I found it very interactive teaching live, though I still do it. So now finally, after a request from many of my students audience on LinkedIn, I have come and said, hey, let's do YouTube again, right? So having said that, I really don't want to come and say, hey, I'll teach all the content which has been already there. So over 2.5 years, I learned a lot from a lot of influencers, content creators on YouTube. So I'm not here to create the same content. So I'll try to give the concepts which I would want to cover over the next few years on my YouTube journey. The first thing I want to come up with some very twisting or difficult concepts. For example, if you say logistic regression, there are tons of videos which teach us how to do logistic regression. But for example, if you look at confusion matrix, still in spite of tons of videos, people still get confused over the confusion matrix, right? Similarly, there are a lot of concepts which still I feel there are some really good content is required, so I'll focus on such concepts. And second thing I wanted to focus is on skill set aspect. For example, a lot of hands-on students feel it really difficult to come up with hands-on and get the approach, how to build the approach to solve a problem. So I really wanted to come forward, create videos so that you get that concept, right? And as well as the skill set. And finally, I would also focus on the mindset of the learners. For example, the data-based decision making, which I always say is the new paradigm in the business. Now, to become a data scientist, it's not like just pick up a course and you're a data scientist. No. So over the years, I understood as a data scientist, the mindset has to be different. For example, if you look at feature engineering, you have to be very, very creative, innovative and all. And for example, you're building a model, you have to have very strong foundations of data, as well as you also have to be very patient in training the models, iterate fast and get to the results, right? So now the question is, a lot of students ask me, Prithvi, how do I brainstorm for a lot more features, and or how do I add business sense to this problem, or how do I formulate a problem statement out of a business need? So this is the kind of mindset required for, let's say, the data field at the moment. So we'll come up with videos on this as well. And apart from that, so I've been always ardent follower of deep work. I have advocated it so many times on YouTube. So my favorite hacks, especially in productivity, achieving more in less time, doing focused work, how to inculcate habits. So I've been a productivity freak, and you can see the books behind. So I would like to share all this knowledge which have been accumulating over time over the YouTube channel. And anything apart from that, like teaching, entrepreneurship, or storytelling, of course, writing, which is the next passion. I'm always happy to share all those learnings, content on those YouTube channel. And this is the big announcement. So please feel free to follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and type it out in comments what you wanted to learn from me, hear from me. I am always open to learn more or share more, whatever my audience want. So thank you for encouraging me for 2.5 years over my LinkedIn supervised journey. And now let me begin this YouTube journey. Let's see how it goes. Thanks a lot. See you.